everybody, it's Melissa and Thad from Buckeye Girls Reason Thing. Say hi, Thad.
Hey.
We're preparing our front of our landscape, which includes a couple pots, and doing combination pots. And there's our irises. We have some creeping phlox. This is our landscaping in the front of our house. Well, we had some tulips in our pot, so he's removing those and putting those back in the landscaping, and he's going to put some flowers in our combination pot. Oops, sorry.
I'll move these bulbs.
Don't break those off.
Oh. Let me move this over here.
We always start our combination pots with a spike in the center.
I guess that's deep enough.
That's way deep enough.
Oh, that's dry. It won't be too dry now.
It's way too deep now, too.
I'll have to get that fence up here first.
You're not planting a tree. Okay, this one goes in the center of that one. You can pull the weed out. Grab the petunias and the coleus. Where are you going? Right there. They were standing right next to him.
I thought they were still on the truck bed.
No, I brought them. Put 4 of the coleus in this around them. This is a big pot, so no, not on the edges, in the center. You want the petunias on the edges because they'll drape down over the pot, and you want the coleus because they'll stand upright to be in the center.
I'll probably have to water those because
it's
moist now, but it's gonna.
That needs to be in there better, honey.
Yeah. Oh crap. Will it grow back?
You can try it, but I doubt it.
You got a little leaves on it. I won't put it too deep, but...
Okay, and the other one, you can you just put those 2 in there. Because this one's a small one.
Well, let's see what it...
Thad, move around so I don't see your rear in the video.
See what it does here. We'll probably get more rain anyways.
I think it's supposed to rain a lot next week.
Oh, I got it. Where did I put that?
Right there. And these goes on the outside so they hang and drape down over the container.
And those baskets from Millersburg, Ohio.
Yeah, that's an Amish basket.
It just goes over one of these plastic cups.
Yeah.
I want to make sure this comes out.
Dan, can you not get in front of the camera with your butt?
This may need water tomorrow, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's damp, but we'll see. Are we saving two?
Two for over there, yeah.
Because this will probably dry quick.
Yeah. We're putting one on each side. Hey, Thad, step around the corner a little bit.
Man, the roots went
Yeah, those needed planted. You could tell that.
out of the plastic.
One on each side.
This one's a little damp, so. Put that there.
And that's what our combination pots are going to be this year. Tell them bye.
Bye, guys. I gotta pick this up.
Hey, tell them bye.
Bye.
Tell them what else. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell.
And Barb sends sweets.
Yeah, Barb sends sweets. Bye.